trailer, only at the NCM Motorsports Park.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome to our Coffee with Conti show. My name is Rick Conti. It is great to have you here on my Corvette channel, and we have so much fun promoting the lifestyle of Corvette, and sometimes we'll do some wacky things in the car that nobody else ever thought of doing. That's what you're going to see today. We track our trailer in my Corvette. Oh yeah, I bought a trailer and I pulled it with my Corvette. In case you missed that initial video, there's a link in the upper right-hand corner and down below. When I got to the lot to pick up the trailer, I actually bought a 4x6 trailer and I went, oh man, this is like way too, it's cute, but it's way too small. I upgraded to a 5x8 and I think that's going to be the perfect size trailer. Another video, in case you missed it, a very easy install. Our Corvette technician, Chuck Metz, installed the hitch. That was fun, took off the bumper. He actually took that wire mesh out. I bought another one in case I ever want to put the car back to stock. Chuck had to cut out a little hole for the hitch and for the wiring harness, and I think the most time was actually tapping into the wiring harness. He did a great job. People look at it now and it looks like it's supposed to be there. Now I know why he's the star of Tech Tuesday. And people still ask me, why are you getting a trailer and why are you pulling it with your Corvette? Let me tell you something. From a marketing standpoint, this is the best idea I've ever had. It's all about functionality and having fun. Now, I own a Suburban. I could have pulled a big giant trailer with that and it would have been harder in traffic and harder to park. But let me tell you something, nothing is going to be more impactful than me driving around in my Corvette with a 5x8 trailer on the back. Wait till I get all my logo information up there. I only drove it one time to the NCM back in September. I couldn't even count how many times people on the highway were taking pictures. And then when I was at the gas station, it was almost like when the C8 first came out. Remember that? People walking up, hey man, oh wow, that's a new Corvette? Now I'm getting, hey man, are you pulling a trailer with your Corvette? Yes, I am. And I say, why not? So from a functionality standpoint, this thing works for me. When I go to track events, I can put that's the most weight I'll ever carry in that, and it's not that much. I put my tires in there, my tools in there, my cooler, some change of clothes, and I'm there at the track event. When I was at the NCM in September, people were looking back, they go, hey man, did you pull that with the Corvette? Yes, I did. And think of the fun that I'm going to have promoting Corvette when I go to shows like the NCM Bash, Corvettes at Carlisle. And you never know where else I'm going to show up this coming year. I'll have my tent in there, table in there, giveaway items. That's not going to be hardly any weight at all. But I'm going to have all my logos on there. And we're going to keep what we always do, people talking about Corvette. Now, some might be scratching their head, and that's okay, but they'll be talking. I gotta tell you guys, the footage you're about to see, when I was in edit today, I'm looking at it, and I just start laughing. I started getting tears in my eyes. I'm like, I really did this. I tracked my trailer. I got to thank the NCM Motorsports Park for giving me that opportunity. This is going to be a fun one for you today. Here's the goal. We're going to show you that footage here in just a second. Here's the goal. I want today's video to segue into more racing conversation next Sunday, which will be on Christmas Eve. And here's the other goal. I'm going to share with you the tracking event I actually went to with my friend Michael from NCM. It was a Track Night in America event at the NCM Motorsports Park, and we had so much fun. That culture, within the Corvette culture, I want you guys to experience, and it's an honor for me to share that with you, knowing that you're interested in what I'm doing with my car, but sometimes we're actually influencing you to get out there and do things in your car. Low speed autocross, tracking it. It's so hard to describe that feeling when you're on track and just feeling the finesse of the car, and you're like, wow, okay, so this is really what Corvette's all about. Oh my gosh, and it's so much fun. Guess what? You're not competing with anybody. You do you, man. You get out there and just have fun. Go home in one piece. It's all good. Yeah, trying to impress other people, screw that. Do you and just have fun. That is what it's all about. Now, speaking of having fun and why I'm a little reserved in sharing if we're going to actually share the tracking event next Sunday on Coffee with Conti, which is going to be Christmas Eve. I think that'll be great for the family to get around and have some fun. What I'm waiting for is the component to share before that track event is an opportunity for you to win a mini Corvette. I'm having this red one painted rapid blue. Yes, that's going to go in the trailer, another element to help promote the car and keep people talking. But the red car, we've got a second one. The red car, we're going to drag race with the rapid blue car, and you guys have a chance to win it. My son Ryan's going to race the red car. I'm going to race the rapid blue car, but I don't know if we're going to have that in front of the track video for next Sunday because my car is still at the body shop. I basically... I've been stuck at 3,000 status for 8 weeks waiting for the car to get painted. So if we get the car back this week, it'll be a full court press to get that drag race filmed and edited and have that for you for our Christmas Eve Coffee with Conti next weekend. You'll have a chance to win the red car, a $500 gift card, and some more Corvette stuff. So my fingers are crossed that we can have that show for you next Sunday on Coffee with Conti. Today, it's kind of a world exclusive. Yeah, it is. We track our trailer in my Corvette. Real quick, I've got some great footage for you guys, but there's one camera that is either misplaced or what I think is there was a camera mounted on the side of the trailer shooting down on the Corvette. NCM staff down there at the Motorsports Park, look for this GoPro. It looks just like this, except for we'll have a number 3 right here. I can't find that camera before the lawnmower hits it. If you could find it for me, please, I really do appreciate that. But we do have some great footage for you today. Welcome again to Coffee with Conti.
Never seen anything like this before, have you, Griff? Yeah, we're doing it, man. We're tracking our trailer only at the NCM Motorsports Park. Don't try this at home. And I won't ever try it again. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Morgan. Thank you, Zach, for making this happen for us. What a lot of fun. Let's get off track before I flip this thing over, for goodness sakes. We did it! We tracked our trailer right here and only here, man. That was so cool. Oh my gosh, did that feel weird? I thought for sure at one point I was going to lose it. I really did. Oh man, it would have made for a good video, but it wouldn't have been a good situation. So
Come on. Now, you guys had to laugh at some point in today's video. Thanks for spending the time watching and sharing in that experience. A world exclusive. We tracked our trailer in a Corvette. You wouldn't believe it if you didn't see it. How about the speeds that I got in that trailer, huh? Yeah, why not? I scared the crap out of myself. I almost lost that thing. Thanks again for watching today. Support this channel by subscribing, thumbs up the video, make comments down below. Don't forget to join us next Sunday. The goal is to have that mini Corvette race and give you an opportunity to win it. Also, next weekend, we have an incredible sweepstakes opportunity for you guys. But for now, thank you again for watching. I want you to tell everyone, Rick Conti tracked his trailer in his Corvette.